How's it going, everybody? Got a hobby box of the brand new 2021 WWE Undisputed. 10 hits per box, and 8 of them are autographs, 2 of them are relics. So, let's see how it goes here. Haven't bought Undisputed as a box in ages. I've done group breaks and stuff. Quite expensive for sure, but I went ahead and did it because I want to say this is the last time they're going to release Undisputed, because Panini will be making WWE products soon. So, and quite frankly, I don't think Topps cares about WWE products anymore. I know WWE hasn't made it easy on them by releasing a bunch of people and screwing up their stuff, but I don't know. It just doesn't seem like they put as much effort lately into the WWE products. All right, there's a new box topper auto, I don't think. Or was it a bottom? There are autographs. Okay, there's nothing there. Like, there's these big oversized cards with autographs. So, let's see. All right. We got Grand Slam champions, Seth Rollins, Becky Lynch. Alright, there's the hit. Finn Balor. Edge. Flip it. And Edge again. Alright. Auto relic at a 99. Edge. Alright. We'll take that as the first hit. We'll take it. Alright. Not bad. Even though it is a sticker, it's still not bad. Here we go. Got E.G. Styles. Got Triple H. Grand Slam champions. Montez Ford. Kushida, and a relic, Goldberg, and Drew McIntyre at a 25. Royal Rumble. Alright. Next up, we got The Miz. Commander Aziz. The Fiend, Bray Wyatt. Is that a parallel? It's gotta be, right? I'll look at it after. There's Danny Burch. Nia Jax auto at a 50. On card. Yeah, this is at a 25. The Fiend at 25. Alright, not bad. And a Nia Jax auto. Her last auto ever. Probably. I don't know. Never say never. Alright, Shayna Baszler. Jeff Hardy. Is this a parallel to Grand Slam champions? I'll look at it. Probably. Yeah, it's gotta be, yeah. So, I don't know what purple's number to. Yokozuna. Oh, we got a redemption. Of course. Roster autograph variation. Bobby Lashley. Alright. Not bad. I'll take that one. Alright. And this purple is numbered at a 99. So there you go. Alright, 2, 4, do not bad. Let's keep it going. Dominic Mysterio. Damian Priest. Alexa Bliss, green parallel. Okay. Tommaso Ciampa. And And, wow. 4 of 10 AJ Styles. Gold. That's pretty nice. It'll focus. And this is at a 50. Ooh. All right. AJ Styles. 4 of 10. All right. I think doing pretty decent so far. Jey Uso. Truth. Purple. Jimmy Uso. Kofi Grand Slam champs. And relic is King Corbin at a 99. This is numbered at a 99. So there's the 2 relics. This. All right, we got an AJ Styles art card. Okay. Got Chad Gable. All right, we got The Fiend. We got Otis. And Otis again at a 199. All right. Still a few packs left. Hoping for something else good. Charlotte Flair. A Big E. That's a cool one. Rookie card of Wesley. Asuka Grand Slam champs. And T-Bar rookie card at a 199. Alright. Last couple packs, we got Mandy Rose, Cesaro, Oni Lorcan, Natalia, Angel Garza, 40 of 50 auto relic. Alright. Last pack. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got Mustafa Ali, Omos, rookie, Pete Dunne, Liv Morgan, and let's see what we got here. It's a purple. Oh, wow. Nice. Seth Rollins. 83 of 99 Grand Slam champions. On-card auto. Nice. Yo, wow. That is nice. Whew. All right. Yo, I think this is a pretty good box. We got these 2 low-numbered on-card autographs. AJ and Seth. We got the Edge. That is sweet. We got a Bobby. We got some good parallels, like that Alexa Bliss. The Fiend. I think we did pretty good, I would say. It's pretty solid. No framed auto, but other than that, we got some nice stuff, honestly. So, thank you guys for checking out the break. See you guys next time. All right. Peace out.